Hi guys, good morning. I have the opportunity today to visit the goat house here at the farm. So I'd like to show you the some of our goats. They're full, they're healthy. Look at them, and all of them were already bred with our breeder buck. They're slouching. Oh yeah. All of these those are Anglo-Nubians. They're not noisy. They're not noisy because they had their early snacks earlier. You see, they're not even standing up. These are all bucklings, kid bucks. Buck. I think these are pregnant does already. Why? Look at the other. It starts to bloat already. Starts to grow. So, well, milk is developing. This one also, I think, yes, this is also pregnant. All of these were already bred with our breeder buck. So we're gonna have plenty of cuttings in February, March, April, and May. Yeah, very healthy, shiny coat. That's our breeder buck. He's not standing because he's full. He usually stands when he wants to eat. There's Arnold Bill there, an ADGA registered buck, American Dairy Goat Association registered. His line is Goddard Farm. We procured him, I think, 3 years ago. Yeah. At a very reputable farm here in our country, and then we use this one heavily to breed with our does. Okay, that's it for this video. So our project here is still in progress. We intend to fence this area in here as their pasture area. Yeah, this one. As you can see, there are forages growing already. This is just around probably 1,000 square meters, 800 to 1,000 square meters as pasture area. And this one here is a forage area also. You look at the place, napiers are growing, and other forages also are growing. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much.